Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. An unboxing. Alright, Sky GT3 RC. This thing runs on a lithium-ion battery, which they supply. I had a GT3 before. I knew it was nice. Guess I don't need a knife. Another guy needed it more than I did, so I actually sold it to the guy. But great radio, holds a lot of different models. Of course, so does this one. And this one's actually a little bit, I think, nicer because the other one took like 8 AA batteries. And I was like, wow, like that's a lot of juice. And every time it gets to about 9.6 volts, it would barf on me. And I'm like, that sucks. So this one's 3.7 volt, aka 4.2 fully charged. I did order extra batteries too, because I got 2 of these radios. You'll have to check on where the second one is going to. I'm sure you'll find out. This is for my Red Cat Gen 8 because I had to buy a 3-channel radio to control a really cool little toy that's being installed. So I needed the 3-channel. Nice thing is I have other vehicles that I'm going to bind to this as well and program because multiple models. And I can get down to 1 radio for a lot of my stuff, which will be really awesome. But seeing this in pictures and seeing this in real life, man, that is night and day. So we have channel 3, which is nice. It's a recessed switch. We have dual rate. We have channel 3 trim, which is nice. That'd be handy for a servo winch. And of course, the programming madness of fun. Steering trim, throttle trim, programming area. Wow, this is going to be lots of fun. Model trim name, so you can name your models, which is handy, so you know which one you're using. Endpoint, ABS, so auto brake system. Exponential points, reverse, dual rates, the whole 9. So a lot of toys there. So let's take a look inside, and our battery is actually in here. Cool, they actually put that over top. And we're going to leave the little sticker there because that's part of it. Makes it easy to get the battery in and out. Let's see what happens when we find the power switch wherever it is on this thing. It's got to be around here someplace. Where the heck did they put the power switch? I've got a USB charge port. And of course we got the USB cable and an extra back grip. So if you need a different comfort level, you can change that out. Receiver, of course, is a 3-channel Sky. I have ordered spares of these too. I have 1 spare here at the house, but I like using these things. They're really good. I love Sky equipment, period. Great long range, great response time. I've never had any issues. Where is the power switch on this thing? I know there's got to be one. Maybe they forgot to put it in there. Okay, so press and hold does nothing. You know what? Let's consult the manual because this is interesting. Where? Oh! Okay, right here on the steering wheel. Sick! It's a new toy. Give me some cred here. That's cool. Well, 3.8 volts. It's in storage mode. So we'll have to charge that. That's really cool. So just push on, push off. That's kind of neat. Should be interesting. Alright, so we found the power switch. Not a big deal, guys. Not a big deal. It's a new toy to me. Never had this before, so, you know, gotta give me a little bit of credit there. So, there's our radio. Awesome. That is going to be so handy. I have so many little ideas in mind. So, it should be fun. Now, let's take a quick little boo at the radio manual and see how it is. Okay, English translation looks to be really awesome here. Low voltage alarm, less than 3.7 volts. Good. RF power is less than 20 decibel meters, I guess, or dBm. RF channel 140, bandwidth 500 kilohertz, frequency RF range is 2.4055 to 2.475 gigahertz. 3 channels, of course. USB port, yes. Power input, yes. Antenna length 26 millimeter. And all that other the stuff, you know. See what else we got here. I'm looking for range. I mean, the write-ups, I think it was like 300 meters or something, or I think it was around there. They do have exceedingly good range. I've never run out of range on a Fly Sky yet, and I've used them in RC boats and never ran out of space once. So, and they do have fail-safes, so you can program the fail-safe. So this way, if you do go out of range for some reason, your vehicle, whatever it may be, will just stop, and that's it. Unless it's an airplane, well, you're kind of on your own. But yeah. Anyway, so there you go. So I'm going to have to plug this in, let it charge. See how long that's going to take, because the manual didn't say anything about time for that. And we shall continue on. Oh, I guess I can throw this into my last little spoil of goodies. Where did it go? Well, I got a whack load of Dean's plugs today. They're around here someplace. Doesn't matter, you know what Dean's plugs look like, but I got like 20 pairs of them because I'm kind of running out of them. So these are actually really a lot nicer than the ones I used to buy, which were red. These are like black ones, and they're really heavy duty, so a little bit different. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned. You will see this radio being utilized on a few different vehicles. And yeah, I almost let the cat out of the bag a few times there, so gotta watch that stuff. Anyways, see ya.